Take 3. Take 3. Welcome to my vlog for today's video.
What are you doing?
Magluluto ng ating lunch for today. So I forgot to click the video. So again. So ito yung aking maisipang iluto. Ito, sardinas. Disclaimer, hindi po ako nag-i-endorse. Ito lang yung may luto namin ngayon kasi sobrang init sa labas. Hindi tayo makalabas. Ito lang ang meron. Kung ano lang yung meron, ito lang yung lulutuin natin. So, ayan. Ang init, naka-take through ako. Hindi ko na-click yung camera ko. So, ang aking hubby is busy. See it, hi, hello. So, ayan, busy siya. And so, ang aking granddaughter is so hi, see it, hello. It's so, hello. So, ayan. So, ito lang po. And today, ay nag-start na kami mag-cleaning ng aming bamboo house. So, all green is green, green, green. So, green because it's the Christmas is going. So, what are you doing? So, and then, wala kaming maisipang iluto, kaya ayan, ito lang iluto ko. And also, I'm just waiting for the delivery of our refrigerator. Shout out, meron na akong ref. So, yan ay binili ko guys for the installment, not cash because I don't have money to pay cash. So, mas better to get installment so that I have ref to be used in our house. Yan. Thank you so much. Stay tuned at tayo magluluto na. So, kukuha lang ako ng sibuyas at saka bawang and then sarap. Sarap for our ingredients. So, ayan. This is a simple cooking only. Thank you so much. So, ayan. Magluluto tayo ng binasang pansit canton. Basang-basang pansit canton. So, ayan. Basang pansit canton.
Yummy, yummy.
So ito yung sinasabi nilang binasang canton. So ayan, medyo may sabaw-sabaw siya guys. So, ayan, nagigisa na tayo ng sibuyas sa kayong bawang. Ayan. So, kaya sardines, so isa lang ang ating ilalagay. Hop. Isa. Tapos, ayan, lalagyan natin ng sabaw. Ate?
Yes?
Get the ano ready?
Yes, ma'am.
We just waiting for the ano.
Yes, but
We just waiting for para mag-boil na yung water din. Lalagyan natin yung canton. Para isa sa nilang basang canton. So, too much ano.
I would finish my part.
Not easy to deliver, you know what?
Yeah, I know.
You are preparing for the papers and for the ano.
I know.
So, yan. Ganito kagulo. Ganito kagulo yung aming kitchen. So, kung nakikita nyo, ayan, magluluto tayo. Diyan ako namot, So, ito yung aking dirty kitchen. So, wala tayong magandang kitchen kasi nasa province tayo, nasa bundok tayo. So, wait tayo ng ating kumukulong tubig. Pansit na iluluto nating binasang canton. So, ayan guys, with sardines. Binasang canton with sardines. So, ayan. Stay tuned at ayan, mag-waiting tayo na kumukulo na yung ating sinabawan. So, ayan. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.